everyone, this is Kevin, your entrepreneur, and we got to talk about the Google and Uber lawsuit again because the judge has made some comments to Uber, at least their lawyers, that suggests that when the trial starts, he's going to make sure that Google has the upper hand in winning. Now, is this ethical for a judge to do? I don't know. I'm not a judge. I don't know all the ins and outs of how much influence a judge has. I know the judge can decide like how strict the punishment should be, among other things. But I do know that when it's a jury-led trial, the jury ultimately decides whether a party is innocent or guilty. And there is going to be a jury in this case. However, the judge has told the lawyer, your Uber's lawyer specifically, that he is going to make certain that the jury knows that Uber has not been forthcoming with evidence. He is going to tell them that he has requested sensitive materials that Uber has not provided. He is going to tell them that Uber has been involved in obstruction of justice. He is going to tell them that Uber cannot be trusted. Now then, that said, Uber could still win. It is a jury. They might just like Uber better than Google. I don't know. Maybe some new evidence will come up during the trial that will sway the jurors' minds. This does not mean that they are going to side with Google. However, this is not a good thing for Uber, and is a very good thing for Google, because what this will do is it will plant a seed or multiple seeds in the minds of the jurors going into the trial that Uber is not to be trusted, that Uber is lying, that Uber is not being forthright about what they know. Now, the Uber lawyer fired back at the judge that no one can definitively prove that Uber is hiding documents. And he's right. I don't think people can definitively prove that unless they have an email transaction that shows that documents were emailed at a certain date and that Uber has them, and then Uber saying that they don't have it. That's probably the only way they can prove it. Otherwise, he's right. No one can prove it. But considering how inconsistent Uber has been with their knowledge, where they went from they didn't know Anthony Lewandowski had documents to that they then knew he did have it, that they didn't say anything about his time at Google, but then they told him not to use they flipped the story a lot. So there's basically no way out for Uber. If the judge didn't say anything, they would already not be trustworthy. So that's where we stand right now. Google officially will have the edge in this trial if the judge falls through on his word to instruct the jury that Uber can't be trusted and they have been obstructing justice and that their lawyers have helped them do it. Which there is some evidence that suggests the lawyers did know about this and moved things around to try to cover it up. So maybe Uber would do better hiring a brand new legal team, but then would that be admitting guilt? I don't know. It's interesting. So anyway, any legal experts out there, what do you make of this? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe. If you enjoy the videos I make, consider becoming a Patreon member for as little as $1 a month. $5 will get you access to exclusive Patreon-only videos that will help you make more money on these platforms. And if you want to also support me, you can buy some swag from the Great Media Universe store. Or if you want to try driving for Uber or Lyft, you can use a referral link below. There's a nice little bonus. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.